is how to use an interface meter. Firstly, push the start button. When it is in water, it will beep rapidly like this. When it is in LNAPL, it will beep continuously like this. Then to turn it off, push the off button. Sometimes the probe will continuously beep when it's out of water. To fix this, properly rinse it and then give it a scrub with a toothbrush. When the battery has died, the interface meter will not beep when it's in water, or this red light will be on. To replace the battery,